in order to remove the lid, you need to unscrew this. And then there are like 5 screws, one over here, one over there, one over here, and then 2 over there. So in order to remove those 2 screws, you need to remove the inner part. And then now you can get to those 2 screws. So this is kind of tricky. It's like a clamshell together. There's like a clip on the side. So you need to pry these 2 out opening right there. And then use like a flathead screwdriver or like a guitar pick to pry all around it in order to pop this plastic cover. So once you pop this out, there's like a aluminum rod right here. It's gonna move up and down. That thing's gonna fall apart, okay? And don't worry, it's gonna be easy to pop it back in. So once you pop this outer cover out, separate them, there's like a aluminum rod right here. You need to remove it. Just use like a small Phillips screwdriver to push it out. And that's how you get to the wiring back here. So there's a wiring that goes into switches that goes that activates on and off. You're gonna go on the bottom to unscrew all those screws over there. And then one on over here is the Torx screw, and then the rest of them are Phillips, okay? And when you try to install this lid back, make sure the 2 notches is in within this hinge right here, okay? Like that. So it can lock, unlock, and after that you can open it up, the lid. Right here, the wire broken, you gotta take out, dude, not too close. You gotta remove the hinges for the cover. And we discovered there's a broken wire. That's you get the error code 0 from the wire, from the circuit board or whatever, from the bottom to the lid. It's broken, that's why you get the E0. Looking up. Oh, this one you can unscrew that one and then turn the cover. Let me check. Oh,
it's a different screw.
Yeah, this set. Ah, right size. So a Torx screw. Do you feel out there more? You can twist this open. Did you know that?
No.
Oh! Watch out, watch out. There's a circuit board right there. We gotta find out which wire go with what. Oh, see, it's more. How come this is loose? Somebody work on it? Is that how to open it or what? Like that?
I don't know.
And I might have cut this so I could take it apart. Colorful. This is the control board. Just yank it. you mix the outside one together?
I just moved them to
Oh,
one
this
side.
is the Torx, right? Okay, Torx. Dude. Dude, did you remove? How come this is all the way out?
I didn't touch the bottom.
Oh, somebody walk on it. I think the Kaden dad did, right? I don't know. Did you ask her?
No, but probably.
Oh yeah, this one needed to remove too. So this is control board. I'm gonna put it right there. And the controller, the screw is different. Also, we cannot never get into the wire in the back. Let's see if we can slide out. What? Check. All the screws are out, right? Let's see the back. Which wire is the back? It's 3 wires? Probably this 3, Joe.
Yeah.
So this 2 goes in here. So 3 of this wire.
Just pull it down.
Huh? No. We try to push up, Joe. Maybe you try to maneuver to here. So there's more length so you can pull up more. So there are 2 wires. There you go. Now we can try to connect it together, and then after that we pull it back in. We're gonna shoot. How we gonna test that? We just connect it together right now.
You just press all the switches.
There. Maybe 2.
still too short.
Mini, mini, mo. What are you talking about? I'm just gonna solder and then push in.
Take a look at dress and fix that first.
I think we'll just solder it and then finish it later.
Oh damn, water's hot. The contact. Yeah, bottom one. Don't breathe either. We're just testing it, Joe.
Okay.
What is the wrong one? We need to switch the cable.
Need the control panel.
Now take over. Yeah, good. That's how you fix it. Alright, good.